Hello everyone, this is Sharda and you are watching Dugani Sisters. Today I am going to start a quick multiplication process. So before going to that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and click on bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. So let's start. Let me give an example of it, that is 37 into 77. Now first I'll explain the process and then what is the rule to be followed I'll be explaining. Now what you have to do is here 37 into 77. So you can observe that ones digit of two numbers is same, and here you have tens digit is 3 and here 7. Yes, so let's start the process. 3 into 7, so this tens digit and here tens digit, that is 21 plus repeated digit. So what is the digit repeated over here is 7. So 21 plus 7, that is equal to 28. And now multiply ones digit and the ones digit of the two numbers, that is 7 into 7, that is 49. So 37 into 77 is nothing but 2849. Yes, so there is an easy way to do the multiplication process, but the condition over here is tens digits of two numbers should sum up to 10, that is 3 plus 7 is 10. So any number which is in tens place, their sum should be equal to 10 and ones digit and the ones digit should be same. If these two conditions satisfy, then this is the process you need to follow. I repeat once again, tens digits of two numbers should sum up to 10 and ones digits of two numbers should be the same. If the number satisfies these rules, then this is the method to find out. So let me explain one more example. The next example is 46 into 66. Now what is the first rule? The tens digit number should sum up to 10. So let us check. Tens digit in this is 4 plus tens digit is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So first rule is satisfied. Now what is the second rule? Ones digit should be same. Now it is 6 over here and 6. So both are similar. So the second rule also satisfies. So we need to find out, we need to follow the same rule, that is tens digit of first number and the tens digit of second number to be multiplied. 4 6 is 24 plus a repeated digit in ones place. So what is the repeated digit? It is 6. 24 plus 6 is 30 and ones digit of two numbers should be multiplied. 6 into 6 is 36. So 46 into 66 is equal to 3036. Yes, hope you have understood the method. If you have to first, whenever the numbers are given, you need to check for these two rules and then follow this method. Let me explain one more example. Now this is the next example. Now here you can observe that tens digits are similar and ones digit sum up to 10. That is, let me show. The ones digit of the first number is 8. 8 plus the second number digit, ones digit is 2, that is 10, and you can see that tens digit are same. Now whenever you have numbers in this way, you need to follow this method. 6 is common, so add 1 to the repeated number, so it is nothing but 7. Now multiply 6 into 7, the repeated number and the next number, that is 42, and multiply ones digit, that is 8 into 2, that is 16. So now 68 into 62 is nothing but 42, that is 4216. I repeat once again. Here number is 68 into 62. Now here there's a little bit change in before example and this. Now here this ones digit is summing up to 10 and the tens digit is similar. In this case, you need to take the similar, that is repeated number, and add 1 to it. You are going to get 7. Now multiply this 7 to the repeated number. 6 into 7, that is 42. Now multiply ones digit of the two numbers, that is 8 into 2 is 16. Now 68 into 62 is 4216. So let me give one more example. So next example is 74 into 76. Now here check whether this satisfies the rule or not. 4 plus 6 is 10 and 7 is repeated. So the same method to be followed, that is repeated number is 7, add 1 to it, so you are going to get 8. Multiply this 8 with 7, 8 sevens is 56, and multiply ones digit, that is 4 into 6, that is nothing but 24. So 74 into 76 is nothing but 5624, that is 5624. Hope you have understood this method. If you have liked this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.